How do you use AI to analyze Excel data? The mistake most people make is simple. They upload the file and ask, "Analyze this spreadsheet." Then they get a shallow summary and assume the tool is not useful. In this video, I will show you the workflow that actually works. Prepare, upload, inspect, analyze, and verify. I will use Claude in the browser as the example because it is a clear way to demonstrate the process. But this is not a Claude-only workflow. You can do the same thing in ChatGPT, in Gemini, or in another capable AI web app. Upload the spreadsheet, describe the job, review the answer, and iterate. We're staying in the web platform so everyone can follow along without installing an Excel add-in. Here is the checklist. First, prepare the file. Second, upload it with context. Third, make the AI inspect the data before it reaches conclusions. Fourth, ask specific analysis questions and chart requests. Fifth, verify the answer before you use it. At the end, I will give you a reusable prompt pack you can copy into Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini. Step 1 is preparation. Use a copy of the workbook, not your only live file. Put clear headers in the first row, keep one record per row, and use plain names like date, region, product, revenue, and cost. Remove hidden sheets you do not need, blank rows that split the table, and any sensitive columns you do not want to share. If the workbook is huge, export only the relevant sheet as Excel or CSV. Step 2 is upload plus context. In Claude, click the paperclip or plus button and attach your Excel or CSV file. In ChatGPT or Gemini, the idea is the same. Attach the file in the web chat, then give the model the business context. Do not just say, "Analyze this." Say, "This is monthly sales by product and region. Find trends, outliers, and the top 3 actions I should consider." Step 3 is the one most people skip: inspect before conclusions. Your first prompt should ask for a data profile. Tell the AI to list the sheets, columns, row counts, date ranges, missing values, duplicate rows, and suspicious values. Ask it to flag things like negative revenue, impossible dates, blank customer names, duplicate invoice IDs, and category spelling variations. Bad data creates confident but unreliable answers. Now you can ask real analysis questions. The key is to be specific about columns and decisions. Ask for total revenue and average order value by region. Ask for month-over-month growth using the date and revenue columns. Ask for the top 10 products by profit margin or which customer segments have unusually high refunds. Ask for a small table first, then a plain English interpretation. Charts work best when you tell the AI what the chart needs to explain. Use a bar chart for rankings, a line chart for a time trend, a scatter plot for a relationship, and a heat map for patterns across 2 categories. ChatGPT can create tables and charts from uploaded data, and Gemini can generate visual representations from uploaded files. If the exact chart is not available, ask for a chart-ready table and paste it into Excel. Do not trap the work inside the chat. Ask the AI to turn the answer into Excel steps you can reuse. For example, write the formula for margin percentage using revenue and cost and explain where to paste it, or give me pivot table instructions to show revenue by region and month, with a filter for product category. You can also ask it to explain how a summary tab calculates a key metric. Step 5 is verification. Ask the AI to show its assumptions and calculation method. Spot check at least 3 rows manually in Excel. Compare AI totals against Excel totals or a pivot table. If the answer depends on a definition, ask what it included and what it excluded. Treat the AI output as a strong draft, not an unquestioned source of truth. There are 5 common mistakes to avoid. Do not upload messy data and skip inspection. Do not ask one broad question when a sequence of narrow questions would work better. Do not let definitions stay vague, especially words like revenue, profit, churn, active customer, or month. Do not share sensitive data when a redacted sample would work. And do not trust a chart just because it looks polished. Here is the reusable prompt pack. First prompt: you are a careful data analyst. Inspect this spreadsheet first. Identify sheets, columns, row counts, missing values, duplicates, outliers, and data quality issues. Do not make business recommendations until after the inspection. Then ask me which business question I want answered. Analysis prompt. Using this sheet and these columns, calculate this metric by this grouping. Show a concise table, explain the top 3 patterns, and list all assumptions. So the workflow is simple: prepare the file, upload it with context, inspect before analysis, ask specific questions, and verify the answer. Claude is the example here, but the same web workflow works in ChatGPT and Gemini. AI does not replace Excel. It gives you a faster analyst sitting next to Excel. What spreadsheet would you analyze first? Sales, finance, inventory, or marketing?